Hi guys and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a very quick look at the Leonardo Hotel, which is on Exeter Street in Plymouth, Devon. So let's enter and have a quick look at the room. So walking through the lobby, you have a sort of bar area at the end as you go past the reception desk, and then on the right hand side there are 2 or 3 elevators you can take up to your room. I was staying on the 7th floor in room number 711. Okay, so we're in the Hotel Leonardo in Plymouth in Devon in the UK. Entering the room, on the left hand side you have a towel, a little bit of storage, some hangers with an ironing board and iron. And then coming around, it's not a bad sized room, standard double. A couple of sockets either side, air conditioning. Panning around, decent size TV, tea and coffee making facilities, little office workspace, USB port, it's handy to see now in hotels because quite often I forget my charger. Into the bathroom, bit of patchwork on the old sink there, and then we have bath with shower over the top. You will see that it has got extremely good power, really hot and really powerful, and toilet down below. So overall not too bad. This was 70 English pounds, so $90, 80 odd euros I guess for one night in Plymouth. So we'll check out the breakfast in the morning. One other thing I've just noticed in the hotel is the hairdryer in the drawer, so you do get a hairdryer there as well. I went for the breakfast option included in the room price, so I paid about £10 extra for the room, I believe. However, if you pay for it on the day, I think it's £16.50. And there was a little bit of a selection, but to be fair, I wasn't overly impressed with it. There are about a dozen people in the restaurant when I was there, and as you can see now, look, that tray is empty. The box next to the oranges hasn't got anything in it. The tray next to the little orange slices was empty, not a lot of cheese. The yogurt was empty. On the hot buffet, quite a few of the sausages, 1 sausage left, 2 bits of bacon. So to be fair, I wasn't really impressed with that breakfast at all. Okay, so to sum up, it was quite a good location. It's right opposite the Armada shopping mall there on Exeter Street, right on the roundabout. You see there's a lot of traffic, but there's no road noise in the hotel where I was. The only thing wrong with the room was basically the air conditioning decided to turn itself off during the night, so I was absolutely roasting about 3 o'clock in the morning. Not sure what that was, but apart from that, it was quite comfortable. The breakfast, because I paid extra for the room, now the breakfast included, it wasn't too bad, it was adequate, but had I paid the £16.50 fee on the day, then I wouldn't have been very happy, because as you can see, there's quite a few items missing. So would I stay there again? Probably not. Plymouth being a city, it's got a lot of other alternatives. And the following night I actually just stayed in another hotel called the Drake Hotel, and I'll put a link to the review of that down below. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one. Cheers.